Okay, now so in the previous session we are discussing about how to identify the elements by using ID, name, link text, and XPath. In XPath, we have learned about absolute and the relative XPath. With that itself, we are able to identify almost all the elements. With those elements, whatever we have identified, we need to start performing action. We need to start performing action. But if you want to perform action, we should know the basics of Java. Until unless we know the basics of Java, we cannot start performing action on the elements whatever we have identified. Okay, until unless we idea on the basics. As I said, even if you don't know anything, also, I'm going to start from the scratch onwards. I'm going to start from the scratch onwards, from very beginning onwards. Okay, now few of them you would have learned Java during college days. Whatever you have learned during college days is completely different from what I am going to teach you here. Whatever you have learned during college days is completely different from what I am going to teach you here. Now, during college days, when you write the Java program, you will write the Java program in the notepad. You will press Ctrl S, save that file with the .java extension somewhere under D drive, under classes, or somewhere inside that folder. Then you will open the command prompt, go to the folder, and you will use a command called javac command to compile. Javac command to compile. Then, if it compiles successfully without any compilation error, then you will use a command called Java command to execute. Compile execution. This is how. This is a lengthy procedure what you will follow during college days to write a small Java program. To write a small Java program, this is the lengthy procedure what you will be following. This is the lengthy procedure what you will be following. But whatever you are going to do in the in companies, that is not the way how you will be following. That is not the way how you follow. Whatever you are going to learn during college days is completely different from what you are going to learn in the companies. What you are going to do in the companies. See here, you will not be writing the Java program in the notepad. What you will do, you will use an editor called Eclipse. Here, you are going to use an editor called Eclipse. Eclipse. Eclipse is the editor what you are going to use. Inside Eclipse, before installing Eclipse, you need to install Java JDK, then install Java JRE, and then only you have to install Eclipse. Why? Because while you are installing Eclipse, right, it will take the path of Java JDK and Java JRE. It will take the path of Java JDK and Java JRE. Sir, what is without any installation of Java JDK and Java JRE? If you blindly install Eclipse, right, it will get installed. It will take an empty path and it will get installed. Later on, if you install Java JDK and Java JRE, it won't take that path. That's why what we are going to do here first. First, we are going to install Java JDK, Java JRE, then install Eclipse. What is Java JDK? Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java JRE is nothing but Java Runtime Environment. Java JDK is nothing but the platform where you are going to write the Java program, where you are going to write the development kit is nothing but where you are going to write the program and execute. Okay. Inside Java JDK, you will have Java JRE inside that. JRE is nothing but runtime environment. See, for example, if there is an application, I mean, if there is some software which is built with Java already, if you want to execute that software, in that case, you don't require Java JDK. If you have Java JRE, that is Java runtime environment. With Java runtime environment, you will be able to get it. You will be able to execute that software which is already written. But if you want to write the Java, I mean, if you want to develop some Java softwares, you need a Java development kit. Inside JDK, you will have Java JRE also because after writing, you have to execute there. That's why. But if you install Java JRE, right, you will not get Java JDK. Okay, that's why anyhow for safer side, what you will do, Java JDK install it, then install Java JRE. If it is already installed, also it will reinstall again. Don't worry about that. First install Java JDK, then install Java JRE, then install Eclipse and start writing the programs. Eclipse is just an editor to write the Java program. Not only Java program, any editor like Notepad or something. It's an editor to write the programs. Okay. Anyhow, I'm going to send you these three softwares to your mail directly after the class. But it's my duty to guide you from where to download these softwares and how to install and how to write a small Java program. That is what we are going to see next. Are you understanding? Is it clear, guys? Whatever I'm teaching here. Yes. The first software what I have to install is Java JDK. If you have background noise, don't unmute also. Who is that? Who is unmuting and disturbing when you have background noise? The first software what I have to install is Java JDK. Java JDK. Where to download this Java JDK? See guys, only for this Java installation, I won't be giving any specific notes. Going further, once I start with Selenium classes, might be after 4 or 5 classes, we'll start with Selenium classes. From that time onwards, I'll give very clear pin-to-pin notes also. Only for this Java installation, take down the running notes. Okay, first take down this Java JDK, Java JRE, and Eclipse. Then I will guide you from where to download this Java JDK, Java JRE, and Eclipse and all this. Where to install this Java JDK? Where to download this Java JDK? Go to Google and search for Java JDK 8 download. Go to Java JDK 8 download. Take down. Go to Java JDK 8 download. Open this first link. Oracle.com. Open this link. Yes. Once you come down, you will have a Java SE development kit. Java SE development kit is Linux, Mac, Solaris. If you are using Windows 32-bit, this is Windows 32-bit, and this is Windows 64-bit. So Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. Windows 32-bit, and this is Windows 64-bit. Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. 32-bit and Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. Windows 64-bit. Most of you guys will have Windows 64-bit. Then click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will ask you I reviewed and accept. Then click on download so that you will be able to download. Then enter this username password and click sorry if you here you have to enter the Oracle username and password. If you don't have an Oracle user, don't try parallelly guys, you can try after the class. If you don't have an account, go to create an account. It will ask you username, password, confirm password, mail ID, and all those things. Fill that form and a link will be sent to your mail. Click on that link and create an account. Give that particular username and password so that you will be able to download this particular software. Okay, you will be able to download this particular software under D drive, under softwares, under Java softs. You will have this. Okay, this is what you will be getting Java JDK. Java JDK. Just double click on this and click on next and install so that it will get installed. Just double click on this and click on next and install so that you will be able to install it. You will be able to install the JDK download. Next, Java JDK 8 download. Just double click on this and click on next, next, next and install so that you will be able to install. The next software is Java JRE. The same procedure. However, you have downloaded this Java JDK is there, right? Go to Java JDK 8 download. Open the same link again. Okay. Come down. Here first you will have Java AC development kit, that is Java JDK. Next one is Java runtime environment, that is Java JRE. Here Linux, Mac, Solaris, Windows. This is Windows 32-bit and this is Windows 64-bit. This is Windows 64-bit. 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. 32-bit and in Windows 64-bit itself there are two. Don't go with this star.cz, go with this .exe file. Click on this, click on I reviewed and accept, click on download so that I will be able to download. Then give that Oracle username and password and click on create account. So that, sorry, just give the Oracle username and password so that you will be able to download it. So that you will be able to download Java JDK. Then install Java JRE. Then the next software is Eclipse. Install Java JDK. Then the next software is Java JRE. Just double click on this and click on next, next, next and install. Will you be able to do it, everyone? Yes. Anyhow, I'll send you these softwares to your mail directly. Don't ask me how to create account and do all those things also. You can directly download the softwares and you can install it. I'll give you a ready-made softwares also. After the class, I will do it. Anyhow, while I'm going to send the video parallelly, I'll send the softwares also to your mail. Then the next software is Eclipse. Eclipse. When it comes to the point of Eclipse, in Eclipse, there are different tools, different versions available. Starting from Galileo, Helio, GHI, Indigo, Juno, Kepler, Luna, Mars, Neon, Oxygen, Photon. These are the different versions of Eclipse what we have. Mars, Neon, Oxygen, Photon. These are the different versions of Eclipse what we have. These are the different versions of Eclipse what we have. Take down this. Why I'm giving you these version names also in the sense. Version names also in the sense. When you go with more than 3 years of experience, they will ask you what are the different versions of Eclipse are there and which one you are using. Go with the very latest version, Eclipse Photon itself. Okay. Then wait. Have we completed taking down this, everyone? Okay, make it quick, quick. In this, which is the latest one? What you feel? G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Have given the order. Photon is the latest. Start with G, H, I, J, K, L. That's the order. Let us also use the latest Photon version. Yeah. Okay. Now I am going to guide you from where to download this Eclipse sources and Bosch. Sorry, Eclipse Photon version. Sorry. Go to Google and search for. Go to website called eclipseide.org. Go to the website called eclipseide.org. Go to the website called eclipseide.org. Click on this downloads. Click on this downloads here based on Mac, Windows, Linux. Click on this Windows and click on download so that I'll be able to download. Once I download this, I'll be getting this particular software. Just double click on this. Just double click on this and click on next, next, next and install. So see, while you're installing this Eclipse, right, it will ask you, do you want to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for Python developers, Eclipse IDE for C# developers. Like that, it will show you different options. Go with the first default option. The first default option, it will be selected as Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Let that option be selected. Don't change that option. Okay, and click on next, next, next and install. Take down this quickly. Then click on next. Don't keep on asking me again, sir, which option to select, which option. Do first default option will be selected as Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on that and click on next, next, next and install so that it will get installed. Eclipse IDE for Java developers and click on next, next, next and install so that you will be able to install. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on next, next, next and install so that it will get installed. Next, once you install that Eclipse, you can go here and you can search for Eclipse and open, or else a shortcut will be created here, or else drag and drop it into the taskbar and click on this Eclipse and open Eclipse. While you are opening Eclipse, it will ask you here. See, it is opening Eclipse. While it is opening an Eclipse, right, it will ask you a workspace. See here, it is asking a selected directory or workspace. By default, it will show you a default path telling us C:/user slash workspace slash like that. Or else if you have used a previous workspace, it will show the previous workspace. This is showing my previous workspace. But for your system, it will show you a C:/users slash workspace slash Pratap slash like that it will show. If you click on launch, it will open and you will be able to write the Java programs inside them. But in future, if you get any errors, if I ask you where did you write your Java programs, you will tell that I have written somewhere inside Eclipse. I don't know where it got saved. That's why don't give the default path. Don't give the default path. Click on this browse. Click on this browse and select the folder under D drive, under classes, under batch 299. I'm going to create a new folder. Let me create a new folder under D drive, under classes, under batch 299. I'm going to create a folder, name this folder as Java programs. Programs. I'm going to assign this folder as a procs. Click on OK and click on launch so that it will work. Create a folder, assign that folder as a workspace to Eclipse and open Eclipse. Create a folder, assign that folder as a workspace to Eclipse and open Eclipse. Yes, done. Next, folder as a workspace to Eclipse and open Eclipse. Go to file, new. Go to file, new. See, first create a folder, assign that folder. Hello? Yes, sir. Sir, this is Pratap. I'll call you later, Pratap. I'm in meeting. Sorry, sir. Create a folder, assign that folder. Just a minute, guys. Hello. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 2 minutes. 2 minutes ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Just 2 minutes, guys. I will be back in 2 minutes. I got an Amazon courier. Hey, guys. Sorry for the delay. Okay. Now, while you're opening Eclipse, it will open like this. Create a folder. Create a folder. Assign that folder as a workspace to Eclipse and open Eclipse. Under that, create a project. Project. Under the project, a folder called SRC will be created. SRC will be created. Under SRC, I need to create a package. Under package, I need to create a class. This is what I have to do. Take down this into your notes quickly. Create a folder, assign that folder as a workspace to Eclipse and open Eclipse. Okay. Under that, I need to create a project. Under that, I need to create a project. Go to file, new. Java project. I need to create a Java project. Here, I'm going to name this project as demo project and click on next and click on finish. Done. Click on finish, it will be done. This is what I'm doing. Done. It's done. This first I have created a folder, assign that folder as a workspace to Eclipse and open Eclipse. Then I have created a project. Under the project, when you expand, you have got an SRC automatically. When you expand this, you have got an SRC automatically. Under SRC, I need to create a package. Under SRC, I need to create a package. Right click, go to new, go to package. Right click on the package, go to new, go to package. Demo package. Demo package. Click on finish. Under demo pack, right click, go to new, go to class, demo hello, demo hello. Click on this public static void main. Click on this public static void main and click on finish. Click on this public static void main and click on finish. Create a folder, assign that folder as a workspace to Eclipse and open Eclipse. Under that, I have created a project. Under project, a folder called SRC has been created. Under SRC, I need to create a package. Under SRC, I need to create a package. Under package, I need to create a class. Under package, I need to create a class. This is what I have did. Under package, I need to create a class. Create a class. Yes, done. Now I am going to write system.out.println. System.out.println. It's loading, loading, loading. Beginning. If I run this, I will be able to print us. This is beginning. Yes, done. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes. This is how to write a small Java program. Let us quickly reconnect the meeting once, then I will see the next step what to do. Quickly, let's reconnect. Mm, Who is that? Durga? It's there. Recording will be at the end. It's recording. Are you unable to see this? Rec- Recording is going on. Don't worry. Okay, fine. Now, this is how you write a small Java program in Eclipse. Okay, when you run directly, it came here and it has executed this and it has came on. System.out.println is nothing but a print statement. If you want to print something, if you want to print something, then you like how you have cout and printf in C and C++ program, the same way here also. Now I'm going to have a class called class 1. I'm going to have a class called class 1 Bangalore. This is Bangalore. Public void Chennai. System.out.println. This is Chennai. Now if I run this, what could be the output of this program? What could be the output of this program, guys? No answers. This is beginning, this is Bangalore, and this is Chennai. Okay. But if I run this, it will print only this is beginning. It will not print this is Bangalore and this is Chennai. It won't print. Sir, why it is not printing? If you want to know that, before that you have to understand the basics of Java. You have to understand some basics of Java. Any Java program, any Java program contains class or classes. Classes contains methods and variables. Any Java program contains class or classes. Classes contains methods and variables. Any Java program contains class or classes. Classes contains methods and variables. Any Java program contains either class or classes. Take down this quickly into your notes. What does Java program contains? Either it might contain one class or multiple classes. Either it will contain one class or multiple classes. Inside the classes, we'll have methods and variables. Basically, Java program contains either one class or multiple classes. Java program contains either one class or class will be prefixed with a name called class. Class will be prefixed with a name called class. This is one class. Class will be prefixed with a name called class. This is another class. See the word called class, how many times it is repeated. See the word called class, how many times it is repeated. In that case, those many number of classes are there. See the word called class, how many times it is repeated. Those many number of classes are there. Class will be prefixed with a name called class. Okay. Class demo hello. Class demo hello. And class 1. Forget about this public. Java program contains either one class or multiple classes. Classes contains methods and variables. Classes contains some methods and variables. Inside the classes, we'll have methods and variables. We'll talk about the variables later. We'll talk about the methods. Methods will open brace and close brace at the end like this. This is one method. So open brace and close brace at the end like this. This is another method. This is one method and this is another method. Inside inside this class 1, I have two methods. One is Bangalore method and another one is Chennai method. Inside class 1, I have two methods. One is Bangalore method and another one is Chennai method. Inside demo hello, I have only one method, that is main method, main open brace and close main. Yeah, main method. Inside the open brace and close brace, something might be there or something might not be there. Don't worry about that. This is one method. Totally in my Java program, I have two classes. One is class demo hello and another one is class 1. Inside class 1, I have two methods. One is Bangalore method and another one is Chennai method. Inside class demo hello, I have only one method, that is main method. I have only one method, that is main method. Inside demo hello, I have only one method, that is main method. When you run any Java program, it will run only main method. When you run any Java program, it will run only main method. It will not run any other classes or methods inside the program. It will directly run the main method. It came directly to the main method. It has executed everything which is there inside the main method and it has came out. Executed everything which is there inside the main method and it has came out. This is what we are going to do. Directly came to the main method. It will not run any other classes or methods inside the program. Now, I need to call this Bangalore method inside this main method so that this Bangalore method also will get executed. This Bangalore method also will get executed. I want to call this Bangalore method which is there inside this class 1. I need to call this Bangalore method which is there inside this class 1. 101 equal to new 1. 101 equal to new 1. 101 equal to new 1. This is which means that I need to create an object for the class 1. How to create an object for class 1? 1. Class name equal to new 1. This is how I can create an object for the class name. I need to create an object for class 1. O1 dot Bangalore. O1 dot Bangalore. O1 dot Bangalore. If I want to call any method, I need to create an object for the class, not for the method. I need to create an object for the class where that method is located. Okay, with that object you can call it. Creating object is nothing but creating an instance or creating a shortcut. We can tell that we're creating a shortcut for that and we can call it creating a shortcut. Create an object or create a shortcut. Now O1 is a shortcut for class 1. Okay, I have created an object for class 1. Some name, so not only one, I can give Pratap also. Anything, if you give Pratap, then I have to give us Pratap.Bangalore. I can give any name, that is custom name. When you run any Java program, it will run only main method. So that it will execute this. First it will execute this is being, then it will create an object for class 1, O1 dot Bangalore. O1 is nothing but 1 dot Bangalore. Yes, it is there. It will execute. Then there is no other lines to execute. So that it will print us this is beginning and this is Bangalore. Understood this, everyone? Yes. Now I need to call Chennai method which is there inside the class 1. How to call Chennai method which is there inside the class 1? Do I need to create object once again? What? Already object is there. Object is for class level. Why you have to create object again? O1 dot Chennai. Already object is there. Already shortcut is there. I can use the same shortcut again. Hope you guys have understood, right, everyone? Yes. Okay. Now I am going to have a class called class 2. Public void Mumbai. This is Mumbai. Yeah, tell me. What's your doubt? That is what I did, right? Inside this class one, I have two methods, right? No, you can. Now, in this program, totally, how many classes are there, guys? Three classes. One is class demo hello, class one, and class two. Okay. Now, here, can I call o1.mumbai? No, I cannot call. Good. I cannot call. I cannot call o1.mumbai because o1 is an object for class one. In that case, if I want to call Mumbai method, what I have to do? Create an object for class 2. How? To some name equal to or o2 or t1 or something equal to new 2. Yes, then t1 dot Mumbai. t1 dot Mumbai. t1 dot Mumbai. Run this. This is beginning, this is Bangalore, this is Chennai, this is Mumbai. If you want to call any method which is there inside another class, then I need to create an object for class. Then I need to create an object for class 1 and I need to call. Yes, run this. This beginning, this is Bangalore, this is Chennai, this is Mumbai. Okay. Take down heading as basic Java program and take down this quickly. Take down heading as basic Java program and take down this quickly, guys. We have to see one more program. Just basic Java program. That's it. Have you completed, everyone? Okay, okay. Make it quick, quick. Another 1 minute. Okay. Take the parameter. Right click, go to new, go to class, demo params. I'm going to have a class called class 4. Sorry, class 3. Let me name this. Public void add int a comma int b int c is equal to a plus b system dot out dot println c public void ct string ct name system dot out dot println ct name ct name ct name. Now I need to call this. If I run this program, what could be the output of this program? Only this is beginning will be the output of this program. Now I need to call the add method which is there inside the class 3. In that case, what I have to do? Create an object for class 3. 3t1 equal to new 3. t1 dot add 10 comma 20. It will automatically call the add method. First it will print us this is beginning and 30. First it will print us this is beginning. t1 is nothing but 3. 3 dot add. When it calls this add method, a will be assigned with 10 and b will be assigned with 20. 10 and 20 is added and sum will be stored as 30. Then it will print us 30 here. That is what it has did. This is beginning and 30. Understood, everyone? Now if I want to call the add method once again, do I need to create object once again? No need. Already object is there. 20 comma 30. If I want to call the add method once again, you can just call with the same object. See, if it is expecting two integers, then you have to pass two integers. If it is if it is expecting two integers, and if you pass only one integer, or else if you pass three integers, then it will throw you an error. If it is expecting two integers, pass two integers. If it is expecting three integers, pass three integers. If it is expecting only one string, then pass that string like that. That is how it will be. Now, how to call the city method? T1 dot city. It is expecting only one string. Since it is a string, I have to pass it in double quotes always. This is Bangalore. This is beginning 30, 50. This is Bangalore. That is the okay. If the method is expecting parameters, then you have to pass those many number of parameters. Okay. Make a quick note of this.